YouTuber like me, you are wondering how to make a second channel. I learned how to because otherwise I wouldn't be able to make this channel, my second channel. Link will be in the description. And subscribe to it as well. So all you mostly gotta now do is actually easy. You just go click your character there. Well, I sign in at least if you didn't. And then you go to settings. And then it'll take you here. Then click add or manager account. Click on that, and then you have this option to create a new channel. You click this, name it whatever you want to, and then you can start uploading. Or if you, like, that's how you create another channel. Now I'm not going to do that because I already have a couple of accounts too. Here's a fact about why I actually have these two. Play the Story was originally going to be my second channel. I had videos on it. But let me just show you. I did have videos on it. And I only got 17 views. That's the thing why I have that. So that's the reason why I have that account. And then Steve, I was planning to make like some stuff, but I didn't know how to do, so I was bored and I didn't do anything to them. I deleted it. But that's how you create a second channel. Hopefully this helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm trying to get to that 20 subscriber mark. And bye. Hope you have a great YouTube journey, fellow young YouTubers like me.